Picture this. You're walking to the kitchen one morning, just like you have 10,000 times before, and for a split second your foot catches the edge of the rug and your heart just lurches. Maybe you caught yourself on the counter. Maybe you didn't. Either way, something shifted in you after that moment. A little voice started asking, "Am I becoming someone who falls?" If that sounds familiar, you are absolutely not alone. Here's a number that honestly stopped me cold when I first read it. The CDC reports that 1 in 4 Americans over 65 falls every single year, and falls are the leading cause of both fatal and non-fatal injuries in that age group. Not car accidents, not heart attacks, falls. But here's what most people don't realize, and this is exactly why you should stay with me until the end. Falling is not just bad luck, and it's not some inevitable part of getting older. There are specific proven balance exercises for seniors that rebuild the very systems your body needs to keep you upright. And you can do every single one of them at home, in your socks today. So why does balance get shakier after 60? And I want to be really clear here. This is not your fault. It's biology, plain and simple. Your body actually uses 3 separate systems to keep you balanced. First, there's your inner ear. Think of it as your body's internal gyroscope. Second, your eyes, which send constant signals about where you are in space. And third, and this is the one almost nobody talks about, there's something called proprioception. That's your body's ability to sense where your limbs are without looking at them. It's the reason you can walk to the bathroom at 2 a.m. in the dark without face planting. Here's the thing. After 60, all 3 of these systems start to slow down. And on top of that, the muscles in your ankles, hips, and core, the ones that act like little stabilizers, constantly making micro adjustments when you walk, those muscles weaken too. A study published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that muscle power in the lower body can decline by as much as 3.5% per year after 65 if you don't actively work against it. That's not a little. That adds up fast. The great news? These systems respond to training. They are trainable. Your proprioceptive nerves can be retrained. Your stabilizer muscles can be rebuilt. And that's exactly what these exercises do. Let's talk about what the research actually says, because I think you deserve more than just do some balance exercises and hope for the best. A landmark study out of the British Medical Journal, one of the most respected medical journals in the world, followed over 2,000 older adults and found that targeted balance and strength training reduced fall risk by 39%, not 5%, not 10%. 39%. That's the kind of number that should make you put down your coffee and pay attention. So what's actually happening in your body when you practice balance? When you stand on one leg, for example, your brain fires signals down to your ankle, hip, and core muscles thousands of times per second, making tiny adjustments. The more you practice this, the faster and more accurate those signals become. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity, basically your brain's ability to rewire itself and get better at a skill the more you repeat it. And this works at 65, it works at 75, it even works at 85. Age does not shut that door. There's also something called the vestibular system. That's your inner ear's balance center, kind of like the bubble in a carpenter's level. Research from Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience shows that slow, intentional movement exercises, like Tai Chi and specific standing exercises, directly stimulate and strengthen this system, which is part of why Tai Chi has been shown in multiple studies to reduce falls in seniors by up to 47%. Pretty remarkable for something that looks like slow-motion dancing, right? All right, let's get into the actual exercises. These are evidence-based, low impact, and you don't need any equipment. Just a sturdy chair or countertop nearby for safety. Exercise 1. Single leg stand. Stand behind your kitchen chair and hold the back lightly. Just fingertip contact, not a death grip. Lift one foot just an inch off the floor and hold for 10 seconds. Switch sides. Do 3 rounds per leg. As you get stronger over a few weeks, try it without holding on. This directly trains proprioception and ankle stabilizers. Studies show even 2 weeks of daily practice measurably improves balance scores in seniors over 50. Exercise 2. Heel-to-toe walk, tandem walk. You've seen police use this in movies. Walking a straight line, placing one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe with every step. Walk 10 steps forward along a wall or hallway. This challenges your vestibular system and forces your brain to recalibrate balance signals in real time. Do this every single day. Exercise 3. Sit to stand. This one is underrated. Sit in a firm chair, not a soft couch, with your arms crossed over your chest. Stand up, sit back down, slowly. Do 10 repetitions. This builds the hip and quadriceps, thigh strength that catches you when you stumble. A 2020 study in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that seniors who could complete 10 sit-to-stands in 30 seconds had a significantly lower fall risk than those who couldn't. Exercise 4. Standing marching. Hold your chair, stand tall, and slowly lift your knees one at a time, like a slow march in place. Aim for 20 marches total. This builds hip flexor and core strength, two areas that are often severely weakened in seniors after 60 and play a huge role in maintaining your gait. That's the natural rhythm and pattern of how you walk. And one bonus exercise that almost nobody mentions. Wall angels. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 6 inches out, and slowly slide your arms up and down the wall like a snow angel. This corrects postural alignment, the way your body is stacked vertically, which is a sneaky contributor to falls. Rounded shoulders and a forward head position shift your center of gravity, and wall angels gently retrain the muscles that pull you back upright. Now I want to set realistic expectations, because I think that's part of respecting you. You're not going to feel dramatically different after one day. But here's what the research tells us. Most people doing these exercises daily report a noticeable improvement in how steady they feel within 3 to 4 weeks. By 8 weeks, multiple clinical trials show measurable changes in balance test scores. The key word there is daily, not when you feel like it, not 3 times a week if you remember. Small amounts, every day, beat big efforts once in a while by a wide margin when it comes to retraining your nervous system. Even 10 minutes a day is enough to start seeing real change. Be patient with yourself. Some days will feel steadier than others. That's normal. What matters is that you show up tomorrow anyway. Here's the bottom line. Falling is not something you just have to accept. Your balance systems are trainable at any age. The science on this is rock solid, and these 5 exercises, done consistently, can genuinely cut your fall risk in half or better. Start with just 2 of these today, the single leg stand and the sit to stand. That's all. 5 minutes. That's your homework. If this was helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people over 60 find this information when they need it. And drop a comment below telling me which exercise you're starting with. I read every single one. There's a video coming up next that covers the specific foods and nutrients that rebuild muscle after 65. Because exercise and nutrition work together on this, and most people are missing half the picture. I think you're going to find it really eye-opening. Take care of yourself. You've got this.